the scary truth about artificial intelligence that nobody seems to talk about, nobody seems to care about, and nobody seems to articulate to the general public. The reality of the fact is this: AI is here to stay, and AI is going to change the world in ways we cannot really begin to imagine right now, but it's going to change it really, really quickly. So one of the things that is going to happen with artificial intelligence that is already happening now is that AI is going to replace jobs faster than society can actually adapt. Now, some people will say, this is not really a thing, or I really don't think so. The one thing I would dare say is this: when artificial intelligence is paired with robotics, when that fusion happens, then AI can virtually do every single economically viable task a human being can do. This is not necessarily to scare you. This is not necessarily to make you feel some type of way about artificial intelligence, but it's to inform you and prepare you for the future and the world ahead. Now, it's already here, it's already happening, just that the rate of change is so fast that the average person doesn't seem to grasp the reality of the situation we're actually in. Artificial intelligence is a big deal. It's not like any other technology we've ever encountered in our lifetime. Every other technology we've encountered in our lifetime has been technology that we use, but this is not technology that can make decisions on our behalf. Even the nuclear bombs are the most powerful weapons. Those weapons cannot deploy themselves. They cannot make decisions themselves. They cannot do anything without a human being actually making those decisions. With artificial intelligence, the game is totally different. An AI model can make decisions autonomously. An AI model can do things that a human being does not even begin to think of. And that brings me to another thing that makes artificial intelligence so scary and so interesting at the same time. The fact that there's what we call the black box phenomenon in artificial intelligence, where the owners of these AI models don't necessarily even know exactly how these AI models come to certain conclusions or come to certain answers. Now, another reason why you should be concerned about artificial intelligence is that artificial intelligence models can hallucinate. Now, you can check out previous episodes of my podcast where we talk extensively about the concept of AI hallucination. So the AI models can actually give you false information confidently. That's something you need to keep in mind. So the AI models can actually give you false information confidently. And lastly, the one thing I would dare say is this: one thing that nobody seems to really talk about is the fact that AI models don't feel. They don't feel anything. They don't actually feel anything. And the reason why I say that the way I say it is because some people seem to argue with these AI models. Some people seem to create this companionship with these AI models. These AI models don't have feelings. They don't even necessarily right now think in the way we think they think. So what I mean by that is that these AI models are really just predicting the next word. So you have to keep that in mind when you're interacting with these AI models, because it may feel that there's a semblance of empathy, there's a semblance of friendliness, there's a semblance of human emotion when it comes to AI models, but this is just a facade. It's not real. None of the AI models, none of the frontier models actually feel any human emotion. And when you keep that in mind, it's going to help you to interact with these models in a more professional and logical way. Having said that, none of this is to scare anyone, but to prepare you for the world ahead. Having said that, this is Wealth Alabi, and it's another episode of the AIandNewTechPodcast. Cheers.